I'm Carrie from the Yorkshire Smokefree Stop Smoking Service, and today I'm visiting my local veterinary practice to talk with Amber, she's the veterinary nurse here, about second-hand smoking and how it affects our pets.
Hi, I'm Amber. I'm a registered veterinary nurse. I have over 10 years of experience in the veterinary field. I've also been involved in veterinary management, education and referral nursing.
Amber, many of our clients who are stopping smoking with our service may not realise how second-hand smoke affects their pets. Can you tell us more about that?
Some studies have found that dogs with longer snouts are at higher risk of developing nasal and sinus cancer, and dogs with shorter noses are more than twice as likely to develop lung cancer if they are living with a smoker. The anatomical differences in our pets that means that cancer-causing toxins are more likely to accumulate in different areas of their body, such as within the nasal passages in dogs rather than being expelled by the lungs. Cats are shown to have more than double the risk of developing certain types of cancer if they are living in a household with people who smoke. They are shown to be prone to developing a type of malignant lymphoma, which is a type of blood cancer. It's also important to note that cats are more likely to groom themselves. They can ingest toxins from their fur, which can lead to digestive conditions. There are several other types of pets which are commonly owned in the UK, such as rabbits, guinea pigs and hamsters, which can all develop similar conditions to human smokers, such as skin and respiratory diseases. Particular care should be taken around pet birds and fish, as their respiratory systems are very susceptible to airborne conditions. Although smoke we see disappears quickly, the particles are so small that 85% of them are invisible and odourless. Smoke in the environment can diffuse into the water of fish tanks and even drinking water bowls. Pet birds are a very intelligent species, and we will often see changes in their behaviour, and this can indicate that they are aware of toxins within their environment. Sometimes we might see that pet birds avoid areas of the household, they might try to escape, and they might even stop singing or talking to their owners. Within weeks of stopping smoking, you may find that a pet bird is able to socialise and start talking again with their owners. If you are considering going smoke-free, there are a few ways you can help reduce the risk to your pets in the meantime. Consider smoking outside to reduce the amount of contaminants within the household. Also consider removing cigarette butts and ashtrays so pets can't access them. Also regularly wash your hands after smoking to protect your pets. If you are using nicotine replacement products or e-cigarettes, be mindful of where and how you use them. Some pets are at risk of e-cigarette liquid, batteries and components, particularly dogs who will ingest e-cigarette liquid due to the different scents and flavours available. Signs of nicotine poisoning include vomiting, lethargy, seizures and abnormal heart rates and rhythms. I hope you have found this information useful and consider going smoke-free for your own health and the well-being of your pets.